Alright, so Dalstrong had this knife on sale a couple weeks ago. I think it was $149 or something, and it was on sale for like 52 bucks. So I'm gonna open it up over here and see what we got here. Dalstrong loves packaging. They love a fancy packaging. So they give you the sleeve, and then it also comes in another sleeve. Here's the back side. This is 449 millimeter. It tells me nothing in inches. I think it's a 12-inch slicing knife. 58 plus Rockwell hardness, black titanium nitride coating, 16, 18 degree hand sharpened, liquid nitrogen cooled, G10 handle, military grade, hand polished, includes sheath. Nothing on this side. How do you open this thing? Here's a Alright, so you get your books, Dalstrong button, knife in the sheath. So the sheath is a slip-on, slide through. It's hard doing one-handed. So it just looks like, yeah, it's open all the way, so you can just stick it in. Blade looks nice. Can't really focus on the edge. Let's see how it cuts. NSF safe. I believe this is 12-inch. It was made especially for me. Alright, so I'm going to slice into this. First time using this knife. This ribeye might have overcooked a small amount. I don't know if you could see that. I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap off. Set that over there. Slicing pretty good. I thought this was going to be a little bit overcooked, but it looks really good. This knife, if you can get it for what I paid for it, I highly recommend it. This is my other Dalstrong knife. I think is a 16-inch, and it is, I think I paid $170 for it. This one seems a little thin and flexy, but it's really sharp. The handle's nice. I do like my Shogun series better than the Shadow series, but you can't beat this for 52 bucks.